Welcome to the STEMS Health Miami Stem Cell Therapy Podcast. STEMS Health is a regenerative medicine clinic in Miami Beach, specializing in advanced non-surgical treatments that help the body repair and restore itself. Visit stemshealthregenerativemedicine.com for more info or to book an appointment. From stem cell and PRP therapies to peptides, IV treatments, and hormone optimization, our focus is on helping you feel, move, and perform at your best. This synthetic podcast brings you clear, physician-guided insights into how these treatments work, what to expect, and how regenerative care is transforming modern medicine. Now, here is today's topic: ultrasound-guided injections, how precision imaging improves healing and recovery. Whether you're an active weekend athlete, a professional balancing long hours at a desk, or simply someone who prioritizes long-term wellness, there's a powerful medical advancement changing the way we approach pain and recovery. It's called ultrasound-guided injection therapy, and it's redefining what precision means in modern medicine. In today's episode, we're diving into how this cutting-edge technique works, why accuracy matters, and how it's helping patients across Miami and beyond recover faster with less pain and downtime. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are ultrasound-guided injections? In simple terms, they're a modern way for doctors to deliver medication or regenerative treatments directly to the source of pain, with real-time visual precision. Using high-resolution sound wave imaging, a physician can see inside the body as the procedure happens. They apply a small amount of gel to the skin, place a handheld probe over the treatment area, and the ultrasound image instantly appears on screen. From there, the doctor can guide a fine needle exactly to the target, whether it's a joint, tendon, ligament, or nerve pathway, and deliver the therapy with pinpoint accuracy. This approach is used for a variety of treatments: cortisone injections, platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, peptide therapies, high hyaluronic acid, and even advanced biologics like stem cell-derived exosomes. It's especially useful in delicate areas, like the shoulder, knee, hip, or spine, where a few millimeters can make the difference between relief and missed results. Why does precision matter so much? Because when it comes to pain treatment and regenerative medicine, accuracy is everything. With ultrasound imaging, physicians no longer have to rely on touch or anatomical landmarks to estimate where the injection should go. Instead, they can see it, live in motion and in 3 dimensions. That precision leads to a range of benefits. Enhanced accuracy. The needle reaches the exact spot on the first attempt, even in small or complex joints. Improved healing outcomes. Delivering therapy directly to the injured tissue helps reduce inflammation and accelerates recovery. Fewer side effects. Missing the mark can cause complications or wasted treatments. Ultrasound reduces that risk dramatically. A more comfortable experience. Because the process is guided and controlled, most patients describe the procedure as smooth and minimally painful. For high-performing individuals, athletes, executives, and those who simply want to stay active, this precision approach means less downtime, faster results, and greater confidence in their care. What kinds of conditions can ultrasound-guided injections treat? Quite a few. The list includes rotator cuff injuries and shoulder impingement, knee osteoarthritis and meniscus inflammation, hip bursitis and labral irritation, sacroiliac joint dysfunction, or SI joint pain, tennis elbow and golfer's elbow, plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis, trigger finger and wrist pain, nerve entrapments and carpal tunnel syndrome. Essentially, if it involves inflammation, soft tissue damage, or joint dysfunction, there's a good chance ultrasound-guided injection therapy can help. Now let's talk about the regenerative side of this technology. Modern medicine has moved beyond simply masking pain with steroids. In advanced clinics like STEMS Health in Miami Beach, ultrasound guidance is being paired with regenerative biologics, treatments designed to stimulate the body's own healing mechanisms. That includes PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, where platelets from your own blood are concentrated and re-injected to promote repair. Peptide therapy, using small protein molecules that regulate inflammation and tissue growth. Stem cell-derived biologics and exosomes, advanced formulations that help regenerate damaged tissues at a cellular level. When these regenerative agents are delivered precisely to the source of injury under ultrasound guidance, their effectiveness multiplies. Less guesswork, more results, and often fewer treatments needed overall. So what can you expect if you book an ultrasound-guided injection at a clinic like Stems Health? First, you'll have a consultation. Your physician will review your symptoms, imaging, and medical history to determine whether an injection is the right next step. Then, during the procedure, ultrasound gel is applied to the skin. The handheld probe creates a live image of your anatomy. Under direct visualization, the doctor guides the needle to the target area. Most procedures take between 15 and 30 minutes, are done right in the office, and involve little to no downtime. You may experience mild soreness afterward, especially with regenerative treatments like PRP, but most patients resume normal activity the same day. Now you might wonder, how does this compare to a traditional or blind injection? A blind injection relies on touch and anatomical knowledge to estimate where the medication should go. While many experienced doctors are quite skilled at this, research shows that accuracy can vary, often around 60 to 80% depending on the location. Ultrasound-guided injections, on the other hand, consistently reach accuracy rates of 90 to 95% or higher. That means the medication lands exactly where it should, not in surrounding tissue, not near a nerve or blood vessel, but right at the target. For patients, this translates to better outcomes, fewer repeat treatments, and faster relief. To sum it up, ultrasound-guided injections represent a major leap forward in musculoskeletal and pain medicine. They combine modern imaging, targeted treatment, and regenerative science, all in a fast, comfortable, and minimally invasive procedure. For those living an active lifestyle in Miami and Miami Beach, this approach provides precision care that aligns with how you live, performance-driven, time-efficient, and evidence-based. Whether you're recovering from a sports injury, managing chronic pain, or exploring cutting-edge biologic therapies, ultrasound-guided injections may be the safest and most effective path to healing. Here are a few quick answers to common questions. What's the main advantage of ultrasound for injections? It provides real-time visualization, ensuring precise placement and optimal results. Are ultrasound-guided injections painful? Most patients describe only mild discomfort. The guidance actually makes the procedure faster and gentler. How long does the process take? Usually between 15 and 30 minutes, including setup and post-care. Can I resume normal activities right away? Yes, though your doctor may recommend taking it easy for a day or two, depending on your treatment type. If you're ready to experience the benefits of precision-guided care, schedule a consultation with Stems Health in Miami Beach. Rediscover movement, recover faster, and feel the difference that true accuracy can make in your healing journey. That's all for this episode. Thank you for listening to the Stems Health Miami Stem Cell Therapy podcast. This podcast is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Listeners should consult a licensed healthcare provider for individual diagnosis or treatment. Some therapies discussed may be considered investigational or are not approved by the FDA. Results and outcomes vary for each person, and no guarantees of benefit are implied. All participation in such treatments is voluntary. To learn more about regenerative and restorative treatments, visit stemshealthregenerativemedicine.com or schedule a consultation at our Miami Beach clinic. Stay tuned for the next episode of the Miami Stem Cell Therapy podcast and have a great day.